Hi, I'm John Klesnick with Bonnet Pro, and this is the Micro Max Stair and Upholstery Drive with bonnet saving bristles. I've been wanting to do a product like this for years. Guys call me, what do we do for steps? We're a low moisture company, and how do we clean steps without an extractor? So now we have a solution to that problem. I'll show you some pictures of an apartment that we did and a landing that was absolutely filthy that we used this for, and we did the steps with it, and it was super convenient. So we're going to show you how this fits in the all-in-one spotting kit later. If you want to put everything in one package, your drill, your charger, your pads, your micro drive, and a variety of different things, even a small sprayer you can fit in that. So you can take everything in one pass, one trip from the truck. So you can use a variety of different types of drills with this. Obviously this is an angle. We have another angle drill here with a bigger battery. We have the regular drill, and this just unscrews like it would with a drill bit. You'll just put this in, tighten it up, and you're ready to go. I suggest using it on slow speed. You can use it on high speed, but with the weight of the drive and the speed on slow, which is usually about 400 on the slow speed setting on a drill, that's plenty to get the job done. You don't need to go any faster. We work with Malish. This is the same type of bristle that we use in the Minimax Ultra Glide, which is the best rotary machine on the market. This is made for contractors. This isn't a $20 or $30 or $50 cheap attachment that uses Velcro, which we know destroys cotton bonnets and destroys most things that it touches, because it locks in either not enough and it won't grab, or it locks in too much and it doesn't want to release. So this is made for years of use. This is very solid and heavy and well built. We even Loctite, there's reverse threads. We red Loctite on the reverse thread nut, and then we even put a jam nut on it. So this isn't going to come off. You want to use it in the clockwise direction. You don't want to use it in the reverse direction of the bill of the drill. So this is going to withstand years of use for professionals. So we're going to go next door. We're going to do a little demo. Not that the shipping tables are that dirty, but it'll show you guys how it works and how simple it is. We'll show you the carrying case in case you want to get one of those. And you can use this with genuine IronMan bonnets, and these come off really easy. They peel off very nicely, but it's secure enough during your cleaning. You can use the Revive encapsulation pads, and again, they come off really nice, but they grip well when you're cleaning. Or those are the Revive Plus, and these are the regular Revives, a little softer, a little bit more cushiony and flexible than the full Hobbs hair product. So let's go do a demo and show you how it works, and we'll give you some information so you can order one. So we're out in the warehouse. We're going to clean a couple of the tables that have carpet on them that we do all our shipments on, so they get thousands of boxes over them. And they're not super dirty, but we're going to just show you how to use the machine. I told you also we'd show you how it fits into the all-in-one spotting kit. So what's nice about this is these segments come apart. We have a middle segment that just has a bunch of spaces in it, so if you have tools or extra spray tips or jets or whatnot, you can put those in there. The top part of the all-in-one has brushes and compartments for the spotters, and allows us to hold a bunch of the pads and the micro drive. So that fits right in there into, if you can see here, it's got a cutout for it already, so that just fits in there very nicely. And then on the bottom, we can take a sprayer, and we have our drill, and we even have our charger, and there's extra room in there for more pads and stuff. So let's put a drive into our drill. I haven't used this particular drill yet, so we'll see how that goes. And what we're going to do is we'll pre-spray this. And what's so nice about a setup like this, I love battery equipment when it comes to this type of a tool, because I can go anywhere I want. I'm not laden with a cord where I got to keep moving it or tripping over it or having it be a trip and fall hazard for somebody else. I can go exactly where I need to go. If I'm in a stair tower like the pictures I'm going to put up from the apartment, there was no ability to plug anything in at the bottom landing. There was no electric there. So with the battery powered drill, I was able to do the steps and I was able to do the landing at the bottom, and there was just no hassle to it. It made my life super easy. So with this, I can take everything in one shot that I need. And then with the battery setup and this micro drive, I can just do so many things conveniently without the hassle of cords or worrying about power setup. So we got this sprayed. Let's put a bonnet underneath and see what we get. Actually, I'm going to grab this one first. We'll grab one of the bonnets. And this is brand new, so we'll see. If you want to zoom in here, and this will be on the slow setting. That's on number 1. Well, is it on number 1? Now it's on number 1. Got a dirty bonnet and a cleaner carpet. And I know you guys are going to do it even though I recommended you didn't. So let's put it on the high speed setting, see what it does. That's just going to do it a little faster. And the bonnet stuck to the drive, but watch. It comes off so easily. Alright, so that's real dirty. Let's go over it again with, let's try the other one. Where did I put it? Right here. Let's see what the angle does. This is going to be a little bit different speed. It's going to be a different level of comfort. Now this is actually kind of dry already. So I'm not going to go over this one. Let's go over to the other table. And I think that table's a little dirtier. Let's see what, yeah, this is a little dirtier. Let me spray this and then see what we get out of this one. I have in here Omega Citrus and liquid lava from our lava hot water extraction line. So these tables get all the shipping dust and dirt and debris from when these come in from out of state from our blenders and all the junk that's in the trucks. So these get fairly dirty. Again, we're going to use the clean side. Here, and that's pretty dirty. That was pretty deep. So let's just zoom that in a little bit. And I'm using this with one hand, so this isn't a whole lot of effort to do this. So if you had a large area, a lot of church pews, we've done churches that seat 2,500 people and have done the pews. This would make that super easy than running hoses in through such a large room. Or if, like I said, landings or planes or boats or anywhere that you have tight areas that are hard to access, that you need to touch something up or clean up a spill or a spot, this makes that super easy to do, and it's so easy to do that. So not only is it convenient, it's just very simple. And again, we got a soil pad. Let me get a fresh one. Stay right there. And you can see all the dirt that pulled out in just a few seconds of easy cleaning. So one thing I will say to you guys is I don't think you can do it, but if you can, don't. Don't put this on any angle grinder or die grinder. Those things spin at over 20,000 RPMs. What you're going to do is have a 22,000 RPM frisbee with this, and that's not a great idea. Those usually have reverse threads and a much bigger shaft made to deal with the extra pressures that are put on such a high-speed unit. So if you can do it, don't. For a drill like this, which it's designed for and intended for and warranted for, that's going to be maybe 1700 RPM on the high setting and maybe 600 or 700 RPM on the low setting, that's fine. Do not use an angle or a die grinder for this micro drive. If you guys have any questions, give me a call at 877-477-1615 or email me at info@bonnetpro.com. And this will be up on our site for purchase. Like I said, these aren't the cheap ones you get from the Chinese imports. This is an American-made product. It's heavy duty. It's built to last. It's contractor tough. It costs more, but it's worth more. So we look forward to getting them ready for you guys. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.